Hello, this is MSL Master, and I'm your Chinese teacher, April. Today, I got a question for you. When there is an unknown Chinese character, how can you find out its pronunciation and meanings? The easiest way nowadays is to use a smartphone app. Input this Chinese character, and the app will display the pronunciation and meanings in less than a second. However, many students are curious about the old-fashioned bushou method, which is slow and complicated. Even the most straightforward case involves 6 steps. Still, it's good to know how it's done. That's what we're going to do here, locating an unknown character in a dictionary. This is the dictionary we'll be using, and we're going to look for this Chinese character. We're in luck. In this character, the bushou is obvious. It is. And the number of strokes of this bushou is 2. The bushou catalog is always at the beginning of the dictionary. In our dictionary, we find a heading of 2 strokes and find our bushou. It's number 12. This number is in a bracket, which means this bushou has other variations. To the left of our bushou, we read the number 19. That is the page number we're going to next. Let's go to page 19 and find where our bushou is. It's right here. Let's count the remaining strokes of our character. Leave out the bushou. What remains is this. The number of strokes is 6. Let's go to the corresponding number of strokes. In this case, it's at the very bottom of page 19. So we turn the page and find our unknown character. The number to its right means we can find this character on page 762. This is the final step. We go to page 762 and finally we're going to learn something. So we did it. We did not get stuck at any of the steps. The reason is that the bushou is a common one. If we could not determine what the bushou is in an unknown character, such as these characters, we'll be in trouble. Luckily, we're not going to deal with these characters here. Thank you for watching. This is your Chinese teacher April, signing off from the lovely city of Hong Kong. I'll see you next time.